So hello guys, welcome to your own Hookah review channel, Hookah Mas. So today in this video I'm going to be explaining about the Kaizen grenade pack. Generally I make my videos in Hindi for my Indian audience, but this video I'm going to make it in English so that at least someone from the Indian or the outside Indian community can respond to the Kaizen grenade and try it. And although it's a thing that the Russians do all the time, that the Kaizen grenade thing, but as an Indian hookah reviewer, I wanted to try that Kaizen grenade, and I want each and every one around the world to understand what I'm speaking and how I'm interacting, how I'm doing that. So that's the purpose of making this video in English. So let's give you some brief details about the Kaizen grenade. The Kaizen grenade is a pack that generally we see in the Russian videos. They're gonna make what they do is basically they take a bowl, they fit a lotus over it, they foil it over, maybe single foil or double foil, they poke holes over the foil, and then they put charcoals, lots and lots of charcoals around. As per my best knowledge, I've seen around 4 to 5 coals on top of each other, burning coals. But I don't know why they do it, but it's definitely worth a try. I'm gonna try it and see what's the benefit of a Kaizen grenade. Does it work better with the flavor? Does the flavor profile really enhances than what we have been smoking around with normal packs and putting a provost or putting a cloud or directly placing the coals on the foil? So does it perform well? Is it that it has to be used only on tobacco that requires low heat, so that's why you're distancing the flavor so much far away from the coal? So that's what I'm just thinking of trying. I know that it won't smoke very well, but it's no harm in giving it a shot. So let's go to my table and see what all components are required for making a Kaizen grenade. So as you can see in the table, that these are the components that you require to make a Kaizen grenade pad. Obviously you'll need a bowl. So here I have a regular locally made bowl which fits a cloud over it. So basically this is a cloud base. You don't need the top for the Kaizen grenade. So what you do is basically you just fit in, you just put the flavor, put the tobacco over here, fit it properly, and then you just place the base of the cloud over it. You don't need the top into this. And what happens is, what you else require is a foil, and this is an 18 micron thick foil, and generally you double foil it when using a provost. So in that case I already know it's gonna take a lot of time to heat if I double foil it, so I'm gonna go with a single foil over this thing. So what you do is basically, what I'm gonna do is this, how it works is that you place the foil over it, you pack it entirely so that the cloud is not visible, the bowl, the top portion is not visible, and it seals properly, and you place coals over it. So let me do one thing, let me put some flavor inside it. What I have today is Alfaka Pan Masjid, is a pan flavor. So I'm gonna smoke this pan flavor and let's see how well it performs. This flavor gives a really cloudy output as per my understanding. So let me do one thing, let me quickly pack a bowl with this tobacco. I'm going to separate all the tobacco pieces so that it is evenly fluffed and the heat reaches to the very leaf of the tobacco. And since we know that the coals would be at a very big distance, they're not directly touching the cloud, so the cloud is not properly heating up with the coals. They will be at some distance, so it's very necessary to separate out the leaves of the tobacco, each and every leaf of the tobacco, so that the heat reaches properly and we can get some good decent cloud output out of it. So I've packed this bowl basically, so it's a fluff pack as you can see in the screen, and I have little bit raised it up so that it touches, the entire flavor touches the cloud base. So why I've done this, basically anyways we are not gonna put any coals inside the cloud, so there is no direct heat getting transferred through the cloud. It is, the coals will be on top over a foil and at a very much distance compared to what we generally put inside the cloud. So even if like touches the entire base of the cloud, it's fine. It's not gonna burn, because the flavor in the Kaizen grenade pack is supposed to be heated. Either the cloud gets too hot from that, or from the air gaps or the hot air that is coming from the coals and passing through these vents. So what I'm gonna do is now, since I've set up the flavor, as you can see, it's already touching the base of the cloud, and that's how I want it, so that it at least gets evenly heated and produces some kind of a smoke. So now I've got a foil. Basically at this moment what we need to do is basically pack the foil. This is an 18 micron foil again, and I need to pack this foil across the cloud. It should cover and seal up somewhere over here, and it should seal, and I should ensure that there are no air gaps penetrating inside other than the top holes. So let me straighten this up, and I'm gonna tight seal and hold off and make sure there are no air gaps around it, or basically there are no air gaps except the holes on the top. Okay, so my pack is looking slightly different than what I've seen in the Russian videos. Even when Sarkis did it from the Hookah Unlimited community, when he did it, his pack also looked a little different, because I think so my bowl which I've chosen, which is a cloud supported bowl, it is a little bit wider than usually. What people do is they just take a bowl which is slightly, maybe a little bit itsy bigger than the normal cloud diameter, and mine is really big. So mine is looking like I don't know what, this kind of an advanced flying saucer, maybe that's what it's looking like. So now I'm pretty much sure that it is sealed up properly and there are no air gaps or any chances of air getting in other than the top holes. So let me punch a few holes. I'm going to be following a three level hole pattern, just what we do in general circumstances, putting 3 rounds of holes for the bowls we don't know. Like in a Pro Boost, you would use 2 rounds of and one big hole in the center. In case of when you're smoking in a normal foil, you would poke around like randomly anywhere. So what I'm gonna do in this video is gonna poke 3 rounds of holes, normal size holes. Looks fine to me. What do you say? Now what I'm going to do is, now I would need around 5 coals. On top of it I will place 2 coals, and on top of that I will place 2 more coals and 1 coals at the top. Let me figure out, but I for sure know that at least I need 5 coals to get it started. I need to find a base. Maybe I'll be using my Alpha X today, and let's see how it smokes. I'm pretty much excited for this. So as you can see in the video that I'm using 5 coals, 2 on top of each other. They might not look very appealing to you, but they might look like half burned. But I'm not using normal coals. I'm using just some batch of very bad coals that I received from somewhere, bought from somewhere. So I'm using those coals just for testing purposes. These are the coals that I don't generally smoke, or basically I didn't want it to waste 5 coals on such a thing, so maybe just trying it out. So it's been around like 5:40 in the evening at my place here in India, and I'm gonna give it around 5 minutes to heat up and then start pulling, and let me see. And it's too hot here near the coals, and let me see how it performs and how much time does it take to smoke this basically. It freaking looks very risky, 1 coals on top of each other. Either I will burn my laptop over there, or either I will burn my table or my mic that I'm using to record this, and maybe I'll just, I hope it falls in the tray and nothing damages the equipment that I'm carrying around. I have some doubts that this will work, because there are only 2 coals and 2 coals on top of another 2 coals. So that won't transfer the heat. So let me try to put it around somewhere and let me see if I can generate some smoke. It's been around close to 4 minutes and nothing is coming out. You can see like this. Nothing absolutely. I'm just getting the flavor. Let's try to refreeze. I'm surely gonna burn my lungs out, you know, trying to pull this thing, and there's only a little bit of smoke that is coming out. I don't know if you can even see. I can barely see the smoke. Oh my god, it's gonna take a lot of time. I think so, it's gonna take a lot of time. Although I'm getting the flavor a little bit. These coals are good. They give good heat, but the only thing is they ash a lot. So I had something lying around somewhere, so I just thought of using this. But these are good coals. Just that thing that they ash a lot. It's been already 5 minutes I'm pulling. Now I cannot expect the cloud function to happen, that the cloud automatically heats and you don't have to, you know, charge up the hookah that you need to pull. So now 4 coals have been surrounded by each other on top of one coal. I still don't know. I think that's gonna black out in some time, and the air conditioning is also running, so that doesn't make sense. So the only 4 coals over here which you see around are actually working. You can see some light. You can see some light in my effort that I have put so much of effort in this what is the name? Kaizen grenade pack, and you can see a little bit of smoke coming out. I'm gonna have chest concussions for sure because I'm pulling it very hard. I'm getting the Pan Masti taste which I usually get from Alfaka Pan Masti. I'm not sure if you have ever smoked Pan Masti. This is one of my go-to flavors, one of my favorite pan flavors. They've done a really good job in, you know, making a pan flavor, being an Arabic brand, or Arabic, or a brand from Dubai basically. Let me explain you again what's happening over here. Is basically the coals, and there is a whole bunch of gap between. I think so it is around how much? More than 1.5 inch of space between the coals and the actual flavor, and there is a blocking metal piece which is the base of the cloud which is blocking, and there the heat from the coals are only going through the vents. I don't think so the cloud is heated yet. So let me just try to touch the bowl. The bowl is not at all hot. Even the base of the bowl is a little bit somewhere. Maybe that's the foil that is getting heated up, and I don't think so the base of the cloud is heating that much. I'm getting a titsy bitsy very low smoke, although the coals seem quite lit. And I don't think so if I keep it sitting around for like 5-10 minutes it will generate, or it will, you know, cook the flavor. So I don't think so that will happen. So I need to constantly pull my lungs out, pull my guts out to charge up this thing, to have close to very close to approximate session, adorable session. No, not close, very far away from the general approximate session that you would experience in any normal, even if you do a foil pack. It's been around 10 minutes. I am trying to pull it constantly harder to charge up this bowl. So as you can see what I'm doing, I'm blowing my smoke back into the bowl. I think so some of the smoke is going from inside the holes on the top, and does it even like enhance the flavor? I don't know. Is this the purpose of a Kaizen grenade I really don't know. Let me give around, I think so, let me pull it around for another 20 minutes, or I'm already getting the buzz of the alfakar. And yeah, you can smoke it, but let me give around like 20 minutes of pulling constantly, and let me see if we can get the decent smoke or the smoke that the hookahs generates from this kind of a pack. It's been around, I think so, 20 minutes in the session, and the coals are kind of, I think so, will fall off, so I have to push it in. So this is a kind of a maintenance over here, that you need to constantly look at the coals that they might burn your carpet or something. So you need to quite a lot of times need to see if the coals are not falling off, or if the coals are at the right position, because the coals will get smaller and smaller as you keep on smoking. So it might fall off and burn your carpet, burn your whatever. In that case, it will burn my wooden table. So I'm pretty much concerned over it. So I have to constantly replace the coals here and there. थोड़ा रुक के करना पड़ता है ना, किक लग जाएगा भयंकर। So talking about the smoke, smoke it pretty normal, decent, not the one which I generally, if you've seen my videos, then you will recognize that I produce really good clouds, big clouds. So it's not like that, but it's quite decent. I understand that, I think so, it is this kind of a pack is generally to do with tobaccos which have low heat resistance and which cannot handle heat so much, and or maybe I can say those tobaccos are heat temperamental. So it is good for those kind of flavors where you want to have a longer session and you don't want to burn the tobacco too much faster than the usual. When you do it in a cloud, you do it in a provost, or maybe just foil it around. So let me check the temperature again. I think so the bowl is a little bit hot. Yeah, the bowl is a little bit hot, so I think the flavor is slowly cooking itself inside. So as you can see, the smoke is also pretty decent, and the flavor profile, I'm getting not so much of the pan, but yeah, I'm getting a light profile of the pan, because maybe it is not cooking the alfakar in its full potential. It is slowly cooking, so I'm not getting much of pan, not the way I usually when I use a provost or a cloud, not that kind of flavor profile like full pan kind of a feeling, but it is pretty decent. And I don't understand why would you do this, but again, this is something new and something that the Russian people, the Russian hookah community smokes, and you can do this. It's nothing like I wouldn't say this is an impossible kind of a pack, or I don't know, man. So as you can see from the clouds, the session is about to, I think so, it's beginning to die down. It's around, I would say, it's around 35 minutes into the session, and already the coals or the smoke production has been reduced, and the coals are still intact. So I don't see a sense over it that now if I want to generate the same kind of smoke that I was generating in around like 15-20 minutes where I was in the session, 15-20 minutes into the session, I will have to put around 5 coals or maybe 4 coals again into my ball, and that's not so worthy, I guess. Like you would have to spend around 4 coals and a round of 4 coals every 30 minutes or 30, 35, 40 minutes. So you can see my smoke production right now. It's already starting to lessen. Say the cloud production is not optimal the way I like, and I don't know, maybe maybe you can use it for, like, you can try it for fun purposes, something new that you want to try, the Kaizen grenade pack, just for an experience, or but not, definitely not recommended for regular use, because again you have to put a fresh coals in your session, and it won't generate as much as heat as your tobacco requires to get good clouds and have a good smoke production. So as of now, I'm gonna continue my session, and I hope you also have a good session. If you make a Kaizen grenade, the pack that I recommended, the way I packed, just let me know in the comments, and let me know how you feel of this. What is the flavor profile? If you are using different kind of tobacco, then let me know if you get a good cloud, if you get a good cloud production. I use the Alfaker, basically is the standard that generally people smoke. So that's about it. I'm gonna test it, how much it lasts for this round of coals. I'm not gonna waste another 5 rounds of coals for this pack, but I'm gonna see how much it lasts. At least it should last an hour with decent smoke, which I don't think, because under 35 minutes it start to deteriorate. So I mean, the smoke production is starting to deteriorate. So you can see my clouds right now. It's around 40 minutes into the session. This is a kind of a smoke that I would not enjoy continuing, so I might stop right now as well, but I'm gonna continue till 1 hour or something and see. And I'll enjoy my session, you also enjoy your session, and I will see you in another video. Okay? I'll enjoy my session and you enjoy. I'll बोला ना, I.
लास्ट में देखो क्या बोला
क्या बोला मैं?